Hi and welcome to everybody. I am Giuseppe and today I am presenting you Triton, the portable station I built for my future. Why I decided to craft this portable station? It's because I was looking for a certain type of freedom. Now let's dive inside together. As you can see, we can open our box. Let me introduce you to every component. It's made by 2 mid subwoofer, 4 planar tweeters and the onboard. In total we have 160 watt of power. It gets supported from a Type-C to 5 volt cable. We can plug it inside
Bluetooth mode,
and the speaker is ready to pump some bass. Here we have the controller. We have our body. We can find an AC plug, a Type-C and 2 USB. On the torch we are gonna press 2 times the power button. To turn on our C output, we are gonna press the button for 2 seconds and we can use it. We have a light battery remain cover for dust. This is our 27,000 mAh power bank. We can carry every time, anytime with us. The next component of the Triton portable station is our mini PC, 16 gigabit of RAM and 256 gigabit of memory. Touch display. This mini PC guarantees us limitless possibilities, and this is gonna be your portable station. You have access to every door. Nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop your creativity. Nothing can stop your freedom. This is why I have built Urban. Urban is building Triton. Triton is gonna share love and transparency. Support me in this project.